Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, let's go ahead and pretty much get started here. So yes, we'll go over what happened today and then also what I'll be looking at for the end of the day. While it looks like SPY's trying to go crazy right here. All right, so hold on one second here. Let's see. Gonna pull up this live stream, or at least this other one, and then yeah, we'll get started. So looking for some nice swings for today. Maybe get like one or two. That's what I'm looking at for today. All right, we just pulled that up. Cool. All right, let's see here. All right, we're good. We just pulled that up. We told the team we're on live. They should be pulling up any second here. All right, so yes, first one we will be going over since we already have it pulled up was SPY. This was a beautiful move for today, man. And so yeah, we caught this one on live stream. I'm not sure if anyone was watching the live, but we had this clear gap up with no consolidation, and then boom, yeah, man, we had this nice candle close. We ended up getting in, and then we touched that first TP. We almost went to the final. But yeah, was a nice little trade here. What I can see next, I think I did this on a 30-minute, 45-minute. We got empty space above us. Personally, will I be taking this? Probably not, since it's so late in the day and we already got into that SPY trade today. But yeah, above that 689, next little target up to that 690. Nothing crazy. Then want to see if we can reach up to that 690 and above. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, so Tesla, or we already have Tesla pulled up. So yes, we'll do this as well. So Tesla was another decent scout for today. We had this downside that was really nice, and then want to get rid of this and find something new. So for tomorrow, unless this wants to happen pre-market. Hold on, let's see. Hopefully you guys can see my screen a little bit better. That'll be great. Hold on, let's see. There we go. I know it's a little dark. One second here, guys. All right, cool. Is Tesla finally going to do something? Honestly, bro, we got some empty space above us. So for tomorrow, what I'll be looking for, we got a nice box here right above this 469. Personally, I would love to see up to this 478. So this is what I kind of wanted today, but we just did not get that entry yet. On the 30-minute chart, we got to break above that 470 for that empty space, which looks good. But yeah, I do like that that 1 hour. So 1 hour looks fire. So entry, exit, middle of the move. That would be that 473, so it looks really good. Alright, so yeah, that's on Tesla. Obviously, yes, we got a little bit of downside too, so we'll worry about that tomorrow. Obviously, yes, everyone knows about Nike. Had a nice little push up. Want to see if we can go up into this empty space here, 65 or 62.55, and then that 65.42. SPY just gained back its whole day of Yo, Chris, the crazy thing is, as soon as I got off of live, I think in the next like 15 to 20 minutes, we ended up dropping to my target, bro. So, I don't know, it always works. And yeah, you can see we tapped it perfectly, man. So, and we went even, down a little bit more, and, that was a great little play. The imbalance hit, but yeah, SPY, within we ended up going back up, and there is a little pocket there as well. But I won't trade that. Not today. We'll wait for tomorrow. I even called it. I was like, look, guys, I'll probably get off this live stream. I'm still going to hold it. But I think it'll hit. And you can see it in my latest video. So that was pretty cool. All right, IWM, we'll go over this. I know a couple people want me to go over this as well. How's INTC looking? So yes, after these day trades, we will be looking at some swings end of day. Alright, so IWM, I'll be honest, man, I missed this one. I had this one charted up, But yeah, I didn't get the entry. Would have been a nice, perfect entry there under that 250. Empty space. This is where we kind of stalled at, this imbalance, or that first TP. For tomorrow, want to see above that 251. So 251 looks good. Empty space is above us. So not bad at all. So I still like it. We'll see how things play out with that. All right, cool. All right, so that's on IWM. All right, let's take a look at a couple of trades. All right, now it's time to get into the swings here. So still getting started. UPS. I'm gonna pull up a lot of these trades here really quickly. All right, so INTC. So now objective for today, looking for some swings. I already have a couple good ones that I wouldn't mind. And yes, we will be going over them, especially if you're early in the live stream. All right, so INTC. Actually, there's a pretty good play here, I would say. All right, so top, bottom, all there. Would love to see above that 37, 57, and then yeah, we got the empty space, which is above us, which looks good. So entry, exit, middle of the move. Yeah, we got exactly what we want. It looks really good. So that's what I can see. That is on INTC on that 24-hour chart. All right, cool. Yeah, it actually looks good. INTC, we're just stuck in that box. Everyone was so bearish. Honestly, at that time, yeah, we had a couple good plays to the downside, but yeah, we only follow the charts here. All right, so there was one trade that I was looking at a little bit earlier. So yeah, CLH doesn't look bad, I will say. We got our nice little break above our wall here. Would love to see if we can get this continuation. So as long as we can stay above our wall here. Yeah, man, we got that empty space above us. So we actually broke above it on Friday. And now we had a nice little push back up. So yeah, we'd love to see if we can hit that target in that 51, 97, and that 58, 51. So yeah, that actually looks good. So literally looks like all of our plays in the Discord. Obviously, we had a little chop today, but we still ended up coming out with the W. Let's see what happened on SPY, empty space. You can see QQQ, what ended up happening there. You can see how we called out plays. And yeah, nice little day. All right, so CLH, we did that. Amazon, I'm still waiting on this one. I haven't entered in on this yet. We're still in this box pretty much both ways. I feel like when it does happen, so yes, I have this written down. Honestly, I should throw some lottos, but it'll be fine. Above that 233.19, we got empty space up to that 235, and man, we got a bigger move. Let's see here. So yeah, we got a way bigger move. So let me take a look here. Let's scroll to the right point. That'll be great. All right. So yes, we see that little move there. I might end up throwing a little lotto on it. Maybe not today, but soon. I do like above that 238, man. If we can get up to that 250, it looks really good. So yes, I like it a lot, and it's in my I like it a lot list. So that's on Amazon. Yo, Catherine, thanks for sharing the live stream. Appreciate it. All right, so hold on. MSTR. So we went over. Everyone knows about this already. MSTR. Yo, Alyssa, what's up? AVGO, cool. Catherine, thanks for sharing the live stream. Appreciate it. Did we expect SPY to go this high? So honestly, man, I did expect a reversal as soon as we hit our first take profit. So this play ended up working out. So what, we ended up having this break down below, and we touched that first TP, and it went even more for a beautiful trim there. Beautiful little play. But yeah, after my first target hits, it's really a 50-50 chance. We could either go down to the full target, or we can end up reversing. And as you can see, we reversed there. So that's why once we touched our first TP, that's when I get out most of my position and then leave the rest trying to reach that final target. And yeah, there's that little move above that 689. If that ends up happening, might let it ride out and see if we can break above that 690 for that continuation. So we'll love a close above this wall and then retest, and then boom. That's what I can see there. All right, hold on, let's see. All right, we did that. MSTR. Okay, it looks like... Okay. I'll be honest, on MSTR, this is the only thing that I could really see that I like, that I wouldn't mind taking if it happens. So, but above that 203, I get we're like 50 bucks away from this. But yeah, I want to see above that 203.70 and then empty space up to that 238, which looks good. So not too bad there. Obviously, a little downside is there. Yes, there definitely could be. Like small pockets. I don't really see anything on that time frame that I like. If I were to take something on MSTR on a lower time frame, actually not a bad swing if it ends up happening. But let me see. So there's a box there. So we established that. Points of contact. 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty space under this wall here at this 133. So basically saw this clear gap up. This is what I would like to the downside. So 143, 133. Yeah, actually pretty decent move, I would say. So yeah, that's on MSCR. So it literally looks like the play we had today. Clear gap up, no consolidation, break under the wall, empty space. So that's what I would like for tomorrow. So you can see, literally same play. I don't hide anything. Obviously, if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, you know, that's fine. So yeah, that's on MSCR. ABGO. All right, so ABGO, we ended up finally. Okay, we finally did it. Okay, so it looks like the first time that we ended up trying, we ended up dropping back down. This is why, you know, you can have a stop loss, and then we finally wanted to push back up into this empty space, which we did touch that first target at 352. So what I would like to see next is, hold on, let's see. Honestly, we gotta break above this now. So basically, above this imbalance is 352 to finish that move up to that 362. That's what I can see there, which looks good. All right, cool. Let me take a look. Snow, yep, we'll do it. So I do like CLH. CLH doesn't look too bad. Looking pretty good. 24 hour. No, I'm not in this trade if anyone's. I want to get an end of day last 5 minutes. All right, Snow. Let me see here. All right, so 24-hour charts. Those looking good. Okay, so it looks like we had this box here. So I just pretty much had to redo this box here, which looks good. Let's see here. Top, bottom wall. So I pretty much just tweaked this box up above that 266. Want to see at that 261. So looks like we built some nice little play there. So yeah, it looks really good. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So not too bad. Who can I DM about courses from WAP or? Are you talking about my trading course workshop? You can DM Milo, so Milo will answer all questions. But yes, if you're wondering about it, and we actually do have that 30% off the course too. It comes with 2 months free in the VIP Discord, but in it does have, it's like, I think like 1 or 2 hours worth of videos. We got some picture examples. We got quizzes on there. It took me weeks to finish it. Yeah, it took a long time. Media guy ended up editing pretty much everything on it though. But yeah, you can DM Milo. He's you can talk to him about that. All right, so snow, empty space above us, which looks good. We did spy, UPS. All right, UPS. We're still waiting on this. I want to say above that 104, which looks good. I do see at least 1 or 2 trades that look decent for a nice swing. So that's all that I'm looking for. That's all that I need. All right, so that's that. So we'll keep on going here. So yeah, pretty much empty space. We can get that little entry there. All right, so we did that. Let's look at Google. I want to take a look there. Did you miss Spy? Yo, what's up, bro? Gosh, man, no worries. Let's see. So on Spy, yeah, man. Spy was great today. All right, so I got you, bro. So yeah, I definitely like this empty space for this full move. I'm gonna have to tweak up this box maybe tomorrow. Just really good pins for tomorrow, though. What I do like, I charted this on a 30-minute, 45-minute chart. So unless if we gap up overnight, then this play will be invalid. But want to see above this 689. My final target is 690. So I get it, only $1 up, nothing crazy, nothing wild. But above that 690.87, I might leave a couple lot of runners trying to reach that and see if we can get that continuation. So that's what I like. That's what I like on Spy, man. So you can see on that higher time frame, there's nothing really stopping us once we hit above that 690. So if we can get that and start flying, that'll be great. Obviously to the downside, so let's see here. So to the downside, yes, we may have another box here, and then we can attack this empty space for that full amount there. I can also see that, yeah, man, this looks good too under this 682. At least for me, it looks decent. So it's literally the same play, just different price targets on that 682. Want to see down to that 680 if we end up dropping, bro. So see just today what ended up happening. Literally the same play, clear gap up, clear gap up. This play just didn't happen yet. So we were looking for a nice candle close, and then want to see something like this. Just maybe a little bit faster, that'll be great. Alright, so yeah, that's there. Google, let me see. I think I had a swing on this that I wanted. And yes, if anyone has any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. We will be knocking out a couple more swing trades for the day. Alright, so let me see here. So I think we did this on a... So Google looks really good. So Google looks decent. I think I did this on a 2-hour chart. So yeah, I think it was a 2-hour. I'll keep this written down unless we're gonna have a miracle run. So what, Google? So 315, 318, not the craziest move, but still a decent move if we can end up getting that press to the upside there. So looks good, looks good. Can you please? Yes, sir, I got you. We can do Tesla. So Tesla upside. DVIX. Let me look at SOFI. Let me look at Verizon. Let me look at a couple of these trades here. Just give me a second. All right, cool. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. 1 second here, guys. Looking at all these chats really quickly. Today's the 29th. Okay, cool. So yeah, no earnings. Dang, yeah, man. Okay. So yeah, upside, this is what I can see for tomorrow. Hopefully, Tesla gives us a good move, man. So, I like it. Looks good. We've just been in this box here. Want to see above this 469 into this empty space. So, 1 hour body candle closure above this wall here. And then empty spaces there. If I took this on a lower time frame, like a 30 minutes, would want to see above this 470, 52. If I took it on a 15 minute, 5 minute, 470, 60. 10 minutes, same thing, 470, 49. So 5 minute. If I took it on the 5 minute, would love to see above this 470 area. So same thing, looks good. We'll just have to see how things play out for tomorrow. This looks like a really good juicy play that I definitely would participate in if we can get it. All right, let's see here. DVAX. So yeah, that was from that 469 to 478. So actually a really decent move. APOD getting close. Yo, I know. What's up, bro? APOD. Got you, bro. Let's see it. Looks good for puts. DVAX. Let me see here. So on DVAX, okay, I do see that we do have a little bit of more upside up to that, possibly that 1663. For the downside, okay, yeah. So looks like we had we ended up gapping up about like what, $4 or so. So there is this empty space here that looks good. Personally, so yeah, I get we could have a a box here, but I don't really like this structure. So for me at least, I would let it build a lot more structure, see if we can get a nice top bottom wall here, and then empty space. This could even be a box here on this 2 hour. We would have to have a strong close though under that 1530, and then see if we can potentially, not saying that it will, may have to tweak my box up depending on how it goes, but yeah, we got empty space, which looks good. All right, so that is on DVAX. Robinhood, yep, got you, bro. Robinhood. Let me see here. So we did Google. So yeah, we got to go over APOD. So Robinhood is just hood. HOD. PAYC. Yo, Super, what's up, bro? Hold on, let's see here. Got you. He said that one is risk 100 to make 3K. Dude, fire, man. Honestly, if it goes, yeah, that'd be cool. He said, rough day, man. At least went, dude, man, if you went green, especially on, day like today, that's great, man. We had a lot of chop. I'm just glad, we got a few decent entries. I'm glad SPY did its job today. But I feel like after, what? So we got New Year's coming up too as well. So could expect a little bit more chop. I feel like start of 2026 we'll have a lot of more detailed moves. So a lot of these swings are still chopping. A lot of day trades have been chopping, but just glad we got a couple W's out, man. Exactly, bro. So it's only what, Monday? So we got tomorrow, we have the next day. Obviously not Thursday, but yeah. Yo, Diana, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. So for me at least, I've been waiting on this trade for forever, I will say. I want to see above this 27.79. So we've been going over this one for about like a week or two, I feel like, and we still haven't made that move. We've just been, consolidating in between these two levels here. So this is something that I don't want to trade. But if we can break outside of consolidation at this 27.79 area, yeah, I would love to take it up to this 29.21. So that's my targets there that look good. Downside, the only play that I would want to take on this, I think I did this on a 1 hour, by the way. Let's see. And yes, I'll turn that back on, so no worries. So under that 26.21 down, hold on, let's see here. I gotta put this password in. Give me 1 second. All right, cool. So yeah, under that 26.21 down to that 25.50 looks good. I'm waiting to do cover calls on SO5. I joined your VIP Discord today. Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, in the Discord, honestly, we'll post the setups. For me at least, I don't like to rush into anything. Just like to, wait for these good plays, honestly, the quality plays. So for this one, we've kind of been going back and forth. So I am ready for this, but we'll see how things play out on this little trade here. So it may take some time, but I got my alert set, so I'll be ready. All right, so let's see here. 1 second here. All right, let's see here. So Visa, okay. Yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. Visa V calls. All right, we're not there yet. We aren't there yet. Obviously, I definitely won't be touching this one. We're still in this box. As you can see, if we're in that box, no trade. We break outside this wall. We got that trade there. So I want to see above that 359 up to that 369. As of right now, we've had a nice little run up. We could expect a little bit of downside. So hold on, let's see here. If I take this to the downside, 351 down to this 346. So basically same exact move, just pretty much a bigger chart, I guess you could say. So yeah, it looks good. Empty space is under us if we can get that. So right now, yeah, this it's still in chop, still in a little bit of turbulence. So got to see if we can break under that into this downside there. So pretty much it for that one. Payc. All right, let's take a look. I do see something here. All right, yeah, we got something here. So obviously, yes, we got a pocket here that looks good. That doesn't look bad. I will say on this, let's see, maybe a 1 hour, 2 hour. I think I've seen something. Possibly could even have this 4 hour box. No, let's see. So the 1 hour looks good. It looks like we're already into some empty space, as we can tell. I got it. 1 second here. Top wall there. Make sure my points of contact are correct. All right, cool. Just had to make sure my box was correct. So basically points of contact. For these points of contact, wick, another wick. So basically 4 to 5 wicks there. And above us, person would take it up to that 165. Yeah, Payc doesn't look, it actually isn't terrible though. Not bad. All right, so let's see here. Yeah, it looks good. It looks really decent. Want to see if Alright, so Payc actually doesn't look bad. I'll look at these contracts. 160, 165. Haven't traded this one ever, so we'll love to see how this would play out. Looks really good. Alright, so that's there. Also APLD on the 4 hour. Got you, bro. Let's see here. APLD 4 hours. So the first little play here ended up doing pretty well. Let's go ahead and delete this. All right, so yeah, I can see it coming close here. 4 hour looks good. Personally, I do like the 2 hour too. The 2 hour looks pretty decent as well. So pretty much same thing. Top, bottom wall. Yes, we do have another box here. So if we end up getting this nice continuation, do want to see if we can break outside of this box into this 2570. So it looks really good, really decent there. So that's that. above this 26 or 2654 looks really decent up to that 2777. So that's what I can see there, which doesn't look too bad. So not bad at all. Alright, so yeah, it looks like I missed that first little move. But if I was in, I definitely would try to hold it and then get those lotto runners going after my final targets can hit. So yeah, it looks good. Not too bad there. We'll keep on going. So yeah, CLH, I think this was the one that looks really good as well. So yeah, still up in this empty space. Not too bad. All right, cool. So yeah, I think we did everything, guys. We ended up, so yes, going to be inside of the Discord now. Typing out these swings. I'm probably going to get at least like 1 or 2 good ones. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. We updated these codes, so you can see this in the free chat for the VIP Discord. That will be ending on the 1st. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll still be here tomorrow before market open, so make sure to join that if you'd like to as well. So yes, thank you all so much. I'll see you either inside the Discord or in my next live stream. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.